Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andin Aprilasari and my partner is Muhammad Akbar Al-Farisi. We will review about a journal titled Need Assessment of Developing Android Application for English Learning in Digital Era. This journal was written by Rosalinda Ayu Purbasari, Nunuk Suryani, and Denitri Ardianto from Educational Technology Postgraduate Program 11 Maret University Surakarta. This journal published on April 2019. Abstract. This abstract contains introduction of research, that is, this changing era demanded innovative strategy in all aspects, especially in education. Then, contains the purpose of this research. The purpose of this research is to analyze the need of Android application for English learning in senior high schools in Magelang Regency, Central Java. Other than that, abstract including method of research, that is, interviewing English teacher and distributing the questionnaire to the students were conducted. This abstract also contains research results. Based on the result of the interview, as a facilitator, teachers needed assistance to assist the students in learning English. In this case, technology was needed. It was supported by the data that there were 82.5% students on smartphone, and 95% of them agreed that using Android application was more interesting. There was 63% of the students spent their time more than 6 hours per day with their smartphone. Introduction. Revolution Industry 4.0 demanded the changing in all aspects of life. The situation forced the renewing innovative strategy. Almost in all aspects of life, human needs transform into digitalization. From now and then, teaching and learning process cannot get rid of traditionally taught and taught in the classroom. The era has changed with the rapid movement, but the education moves slowly. The technology has been discovered. The slow growth of the utilization of technology in classroom, which is not equal with the rapid movement of the changing era, can be measured with the equation whether both the teachers and students are sufficiently equipped with the technology and have the ability to operate it. The existence of technology itself doesn't always run properly as it is expected, although there might be found a little problems and some negative impacts on using the technology in the classroom. The positive impacts of the existence of the technology cover several aspects. Entering the disruptive era, technology can be functioned as a tool to assist the students to learn the subject of the study daily with or without the presence of the teachers. By the support of internet, smartphone, operating system, and application, teaching and learning process is able to be conducted not only in the classroom, but also anywhere and anytime. To be a classroom teacher and play those 7 roles is a challenge. Getting engaged in the interaction with students in the classroom doesn't need a quite short time. Remembering that every character of the student is unique, it needs more time to play those roles optimally. Yet, teachers only have a limited time to present at the classroom, and their time is also divided into their main duty to deliver the learning material of the subject matter. In senior high school in Indonesia, the students have to choose their specific major since they are in the 10th grade. They have to choose the social or science, although they already have their specific major. They still have a lot of subject to master, moreover, which is related to their major. However, any language subject has only a little portion to be taught in the classroom, especially English, as a foreign language. The use of Android application in English learning to facilitate the students in self-assessed learning supports learning style in 21st century, and it needs to be developed to adjust with the need of the students, teacher, and the subject of the study at school. The digital device that supports self-assessed learning at least has a function to record memory, map the concept and topic, solve the problem, and has a function as a communication tool. According to literature review, previous research, and the survey, Android application can be one of the alternative solutions to facilitate student self-assessed learning. The development of Android application as a learning media to learn English text type and the feature to have self-assessed learning will help both students and teacher in conducting English learning process and assessment. Next, for method of research, results of research. and conclusion will be explained by Akbar.
Thank you, Andin. Now I will continue the review. I'll start with method. So, the research was need assessment to assess the need of developing Android application for English learning in digital era. It was preliminary research and development method to develop Android application as a media for English learning assist students in self-assessed learning. This research was conducted in Magelang, Central Java, Indonesia. The subject of this research were the teachers and students of 11th grade of senior high school in Magelang Regency. The method of collecting data was conducted by interviewing the English teacher and distributing the questionnaire to the 11th grade students of high school in Magelang. To obtain the data, the interview guideline and the questionnaire were arranged. The questions of the interviews were about the needs of the teacher in English teaching and learning process and assessment, while the questionnaire distributed to the students were about their experience in English learning process, the facilities that students own to get information, what the proper technologies that will be developed, and obtaining information about their intensity with their gadget in their daily life. And now the result of method. So far, the teaching and learning process were conducted traditionally in classroom and sometimes in multimedia laboratory to display the material in the form of PowerPoint presentation or video, while the homework was taken from the student's exercise book. The lack of this was that the teacher almost had no time to assess and evaluate the student's tasks. So the teacher hoped that the developed application would be able to the student's task too. The second data was obtained from the answer of the question in the form of questionnaire distributed to the student. The first one was about the student's experience in English learning in the classroom. It was especially related to the material that were used in English teaching and learning process, the aspect of the element and the result of the students' answer would be presented and analyzed on this table. So, process of teaching and learning on 11th grade students of senior high school after distributing the questionnaire containing several questions related to the teaching and learning process in the classroom to gain the analysis of the needs of the students in digital era teaching and learning. The results are shown on the table before. There were 92.5% students who have students' English book to support the teaching learning activity and 67.5 have the exercise book. From the data, a half students seldom use both students' book and exercise book, and so did with the evaluation by the teacher. So, based on the survey, that was conducted on the 11th grade students of senior high school in Magelang Regency from 82.5% who has smartphone, 95% said that it was more interesting and attractive when they could utilize Android application, and 87.5% of students agreed that teaching and learning process would be more supported by using Android application. Moreover, self-assessed learning process at home would be more controlled by using application. Although 92.5% of students have the English book, their intensity of the interaction to the book was less than interaction to their gadget. The frequency of students having interaction to their gadget is provided on this table. It was clearly said on the table that more than half students spend their time with their smartphone more than 6 hours per day. The distribution of the use of students' feature on their smartphone showed on this information. The highest percentage of the use of the feature on the students of 11th grade, students of senior high school in Magelang Regency, is using their mobile phone for chatting. It was because of their need to socialize with their friends that was united a group of a community. They also use this feature to communicate to their family or friend. Based on the chart on figure 1, only 26% of the students use the search engine for specific purpose. It was assumed that they use the search engine for searching any references to help them in completing tests from the teacher. So it was only a quarter of students who realized they use the technology to help them accomplishing their tasks helped by technology. And and one third of them use smartphone for fun, whether for social media or game. So the conclusion is, from the obtained data, it was concluded that nowadays, in digital era, the teaching and learning materials still use traditional media, although there are available some facilities which support the activity conducted by using multimedia. The result of this study showed that the 11th grade students of senior high school in Magelang Regency are ready to use Android application as a learning media on their smartphone to facilitate English self-assessed learning. The application would help the teacher as a learning assistant while the teachers were not around. Besides, the application would help the teacher on conducting assessment. Based on the need assessment of this research, the analysis of the data could give the characteristic of the application that should be developed to support English self-assessed learning. The characteristic of Android application that should be developed are, number one is the application can be run in Android smartphone, and number two, it loads English material, and number three, it is integrated with online dictionary to help the students find new vocabulary easily. And number four, it contains students' report for daily assessment. And number five, there is an answer key available on and also discussion for the answer question. From the characteristic of Android application above, it is expected that the needs of technology in English teaching and learning in this digital era will be improved. So this is the end of my review. Sorry if there is a mistaken. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.